Hi, and welcome to this week's episode, Parking Percentages. Looks like we're at Lumi's office. Am I the new assistant that managers sent? No, I am not. Apparently now I am. There is a parking lot for the new building and we need to assign parking spaces for the different companies according to the percentage of parking spaces they reserve. This episode comes after children have a good deal of experience with the concept of percentages. By this point, students should already be skilled in finding the part and finding the percentage, but still, we start with a relatively easy problem of finding a percentage out of 100. This is to get students into the context and make it likely that they will have a successful start. So come on, let's do it. 11% of 100 spaces is 11. 37% of 100 is 37. Students have the freedom to color it however they like. Every correct answer will be accepted. Lastly, 12% of 100 is 12. Done. What percentage of the parking lot is reserved? Let's see. 11 plus 37 plus 12 equals 60. 60 of 100, 60%. Of course, I have this visual support of the board if I need it, so I could also count the reserved squares. Lumi won't rest until each and every space of the parking lot is booked. So what's left? If 60% is already booked, we're left with 40% unreserved spaces. I bet you could think of another way to figure it out. Now Lumi is going to make some phone calls. Lumi did it! We need to reserve the remaining area, the discounted area, according to their demand. But now, the hole that those percentages are referring to has changed. Now, it's the discounted price area, 40 spaces. So we need to find 25%, 50%, and 25% of 40 spaces. The interactive tool we offer in this activity gives students the freedom to mark the parking spaces as they wish and also gain some insights by trying to assign. For example, 25% of 40 equal a quarter of 40, which is 10 spaces. And 50% of 40 will be twice as much. And because it all sums up to 100 of the discounted price area, the rest will be reserved to the yellow company. Let's take care of the bureaucracy for Lumi. In this episode, we designed the questions to inspire insights and probe misconceptions. For example, remember before that we sum up the percentages to figure out how many total spaces are reserved? So here we are asked to look at the percentage of spaces booked by the yellow company out of the discounted area, and here out of the full priced area, and here out of the entire area. Isn't the last one just the sum of the other two? I'm not sure it makes sense to add percentages that are referring to different holes. Why don't you try answering these questions? They will help you figure it out. Go and play it yourself. It's fun and challenging in just the right way.